Hi guys, so today I have to improvise. I'm sorry, I don't know where my tripod is. Did I lose it? Did I throw it away? I don't see it anywhere. So we're gonna do it this way, guys. I just have something to lean the thing on, of course. Yeah, so we have a Grizzlor cartoon collection, Masters of the Universe Spycore cartoon collection, and the original Trapjaw. And he was on sale for €5. That's like nothing, and it was much more expensive. So I'm happy to open them. Let's go with the least favorite one. So that's a Spycore. I do have him in the original version, but let's just get this one out and we'll have him on the shelf, but you know. Okay, we get a oh my god, how do you say it? Oh, sorry, this thing with a, let me just try something, sorry. So I know it's not that much better, but I'll try to work with it. So we get a comic book, and these are the cartoon collection ones that I have not a single one from here, and I don't really need it, but let's get him out because we gotta complete the collection. Right. Oh, he's got some accessories. So there is, he's very spiky, and guys, this is not a figurine for kids, believe me. He's so spiky he could really like tear somebody's eye out. So we get his hand thingy, and we get 2 bottles of potion, I guess. Let me just pop it out. Oh, that's a nice backdrop. So we get these two little bomb things, I guess. Let me just put you here because I can't really see what I'm doing. It's like a little bomb thingies. I'm not really sure. And we get this thing. Sorry, I really can't see what I'm doing. Let me just see what he does with it. So it's very spiky all around. That's his face. I don't really care about it. Wait. So yeah. Let me just show you the original. Just a second. So this is the original one, and he's posed here. That's my little diorama of my Masters of the Universe. There's a lot of them, but look at this cartoon version and the original version, which is perfect. So this one is really not all that, but as a completionist he'll go on another shelf. So let's take another one. So now we go to one of my favorite ones. That's the Grizzlor, and I really like this figurine, even if it's not classic one with the fur, but I love this character. So he's welcome on my shelf, and he's got his space there. So let's just open it. Oh my god, this box is hard as freaking frick. So we get another, a different, how do you say, comic book. I don't know who this is, guys. Who the freak is this? Oh, okay, Shira. Oh god, I'm so stupid sometimes. Let's get Grizzlor out. Let me just move you a little bit further. And, yep, wait. I don't think so. I'm trying, guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying. It's so hard without a freaking tripod. I don't know where it is. So, Grizzlor is freed. Here he is. Oh god, he's so great. I love him. I really love this figurine. His face, everything. And he holds this magic mirror that reflects all the bad things, not bad things, good things, powers. But look at him, wait. I'm gonna have to do it like this, sorry. Look how great his face is. I really love him, he's really werewolfy. Let's just try to put his little... How does he hold this? Wait. Am I crazy? Yes, he holds it like that. But he can't really hold it like that, can he? Yes, he can, okay. So, there he is. And I really do love him. But now we're coming to the original remake, I guess, Masters of the Universe. And I love him. I love Trapjaw. I always love this figurine. I do have another one that's reimagined in yellow, but this one is much better. And we got another comic book that I don't have. So that's great. I love it. So I got 3 different comic books, guys, that I don't have in my collection, which is great. Now, let's get the man himself out. His weapons. Oh, I really do love him. I love him. I love him. Wait, let me just focus, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put on his hand. What did I have there? I think this little thingy. I really like this. No. Yes. Yes, this little hooky thing. And then you get this. And you put other ones behind to hang like this, which is so cool. Actually, you know what, let me just put the small one here, the small hook in the hand because it's easier to pose. And let me put the weapon on the back. Yep, and there he is. Spycore, you're gonna have to go on the back, and you can just be on the front, guy, because you're cool. And guys, here we are, all 3 of them, and this is the Spycore's weapon, which it is what it is, but these 2 guys are just so cool. Look at them. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like, comment, and yeah, I hope to see you another time in another video. I have Monster High opening and I have Barbie opening, so stay connected. I still don't know what these things are, guys. I still don't know what these things Can I focus, please? Today it's everything is bad.